Good morning, class 12 commerce student. The last topic of the lesson, income and employment, that is investment multiplier. As the name indicates, multiplier, how many times it multiplies? What does it mean? It means investment, I am using the short form. Investment multiplier is a process which tells us how many times our income increases due to increase in investment. How many times our income is increases due to increase in investment? That is, if we increase our investment, how much change will come in our income? That is known as investment multiplier, or you can say it is a proportion of change in income due to change in investment. How many times our income will increase? Our income will increase by k times. That is, investment multiplier is denoted by k. That is, k is equal to delta y upon delta I. Delta I stands for change in investment. Delta y stands for change in income. If we increase our investment, how many times our income will increase? It will be equal to k time. It can be denoted with the help of 1 minus MPC. K is equal to, this is another formula, K is equal to 1 upon 1 minus MPC, or it is also denoted by 1 upon MPS. If I ask you what is the relation between investment multiplier and MPC, what is the relation between investment multiplier and MPC? So what is that relation, sir? It has direct relation. What does it mean? It has direct relation. It means as MPC increases, as marginal propensity to consume increases, what will also increase? Our K value will also increase. Investment multiplier will also increase. Why it is so? It is very simple. How it is simple? MPC stands for marginal propensity to consume. It means consumers are spending more and more. If MPC is more, it means consumers are spending more. Let us say MPC is 0.5. It means consumers are spending 50%. If MPC is 0.6, it means consumers are spending 60%. If MPC is 0.7, it means consumers are spending 70% out of their income. So as you see, as MPC increases, consumption also increases. So if consumption will increase, it means what, sir? Demand is more. If demand is more, producer have to produce more. And in order to produce more, they will do more and more investment in the business. And more investment means more income. So that's why there is a direct relation between investment multiplier and MPC. And if I talk, what is the relation between investment multiplier and MPS. So what is that relation, sir? This relation is indirect. Indirect means it is a negative relation. If MPS increases, MPS stands for marginal propensity to save, and if it increases, it means people are saving more. If MPS is increasing, it means people are saving more, and if people are saving more, it means they are spending less. तो if MPS is more, it means people are saving more. If people will save more, it means they are spending less. And if they will spend less, so their aggregate demand will be low. If aggregate demand is low, producer cannot produce more and more. That's why if MPS increases, investment multiplier will reduce. If MPS increases, investment multiplier will reduce. So this is what is the meaning of investment multiplier. There are three formula according to situation. Investment multiplier can be calculated with the help of any of the formula. And then K is equal to 1 upon 1 minus MPC. It has direct relation. And K is equal to 1 upon MPS. It has indirect relation. Now let us see how K is equal to 1 upon MPS. Sorry, 1 upon 1 minus MPC. Let us see. As we know, K is equal to delta Y upon delta I. Agree? Okay. Let us divide. Let us wait. Okay, we will do it later on. Now, next topic in this investment multiplier is. Investment multiplier process. Investment multiplier process. That is how investment multiplier works. How investment multiplier works. Let us try to find out. For example, say MPC is 0.75. Some is asking find value of K. So just I told the formula to you. 1 minus 0.75. K is equal to 1 upon 1 minus MPC. So it is, my dear, 1 upon 0.25 is equal to 4 times. It means our income will increase by 4 times. Let us take a businessman increases his investment by 100 crore. A businessman is increasing his investment by 100 crore, change in investment, and his income increases by 400 crore. His income is increases by 400 crore. It means K is equal to change in income divided by change in investment. That is 400 upon 100. That is 4 times. Here also K is 4 times. Here is also K is equal to 4 times. Our investment income will increase by 4 times. Now question arises. How this 100 crore investment will bring change of 400 crore? 100 crore की इन्वेस्टमेंट से इनकम 400 करोड़ की कैसे बढ़ जाएगी? Let us find out, sir. Now here change in investment. How much change in investment is there, sir? 100 crore rupees. अगर मैं 100 करोड़ की इन्वेस्टमेंट करता हूं तो रिमेंबर माय डियर, मेरी इनकम 100 करोड़ से तो बढ़ेगी. नाउ यू मे आस्क क्वेश्चन, हाउ इट इज पॉसिबल कि 100 crore investment will change my income by 100 crore. Sir, what does it mean when I am investing 100 crore rupees? It means I am investing it in business. मैं इसको बिजनेस में इन्वेस्ट कर रहा हूँ. बिजनेस में मैं कहाँ इन्वेस्ट करूँगा? I will purchase factor of production. Are you agree or not? Factor of production means land, labor, capital and entrepreneurship. These are factor of production. It means I will introduce this 100 crore rupees in these 4 factor of production. It means I will purchase factor of production from outsiders. When I will purchase factor of production from outsiders, it means they will get their income. तो मैं 100 करोड़ रुपए अगर बिजनेस में इन्वेस्ट करता हूँ तो वो 100 करोड़ रुपए मार्केट में किसी न किसी की इनकम बन जाते हैं. That's why I am using the word. If I am investing 100 crore rupees, so definitely my income is going to increase by 100 crore rupees. Now, my MPC is 0.75. मेरा MPC कितना है? 0.75 है. Now this tells us that my MPC, it means 70% of my income I am spending. मैं लगभग कितना इसका खर्च कर देता हूँ? 75%. It means out of 100 crore increase in investment, I will be spending 75 crore rupees. ये 75 करोड़ मैं मार्केट में इन्वेस्ट करूंगा and my remaining is 0.25 is MPS. 25 crore will be my saving because MPC is 0.75. Now this 75 crore which is spent in the market, this 75 crore will become again income of somebody. मेरी 100 करोड़ की इनकम बढ़ती है तो 100 करोड़ की इनकम बढ़ने से मेरा MPC 0.75 है. इट मीन्स 75% पैसे मैं मार्केट में खर्च कर देता हूँ. अगर मैं 75% पैसा मार्केट में खर्च कर रहा हूँ इसका मतलब मेरा कंजम्पशन 75 करोड़ है. ये 75 करोड़ का कंजम्पशन किसी न किसी की क्या बनेगा, इनकम बनेगा ना. मैं अगर 100 रुपये मेरी पॉकेट में है और मैं 75 रुपये मार्केट में खर्च करने जाऊंगा तो 75 रुपये किसी की इनकम तो बनेंगे ना. जिससे भी मैं माल खरीदूंगा उसकी इनकम हो गई, उसने किसी और से माल खरीदा होगा. इन दिस वे नाउ आउट ऑफ दिस 75 अगेन ही विल कंज्यूम 3/4. आप पूछोगे 3/4 कहां से आ गया? 75% मींस दिस वन, राइट. तो इट कम्स माय डियर 225/4. इट मींस 4 5 जा 4 6 जा अप्रॉक्स 56% अगेन आई एम गोइंग टू स्पेंड. 75 करोड़ में से 56 करोड़ रुपए मैं दोबारा से कहीं ना कहीं मार्केट में खर्च करूंगा बिकॉज माय MPC is 0.75. This 56% which I am going to spend again it become income of somebody. जो मैं 56 करोड़ रुपए खर्च करने जा रहा हूँ ये दोबारा से मार्केट में किसी न किसी की इनकम बनेंगे. इस इनकम में से फिर 56 into 3/4 4 1 जा 4 4 जा 42 करोड़ का फिर कंजम्पशन होगा बिकॉज माय MPC is 0.75. ये 42 करोड़ का कंजम्पशन फिर किसी न किसी की क्या बनेगा, इनकम बनेगा. यू सी नाउ मार्केट में मैंने कितने इन्वेस्ट किए थे? 100 करोड़ रुपीस इन्वेस्ट किया था केवल. लेकिन मेरी फर्स्ट स्टेज पे 100 करोड़ की इनकम बढ़ी, फिर 75 करोड़ की इनकम बढ़ी, फिर 56 करोड़ की इनकम बढ़ी, फिर 42 करोड़ की इनकम बढ़ी. एंड दिस प्रोसेस विल गो ऑन. At the end, when you will make the total of it, so it will come across 400 crore rupees. इस प्रकार से मेरी 100 करोड़ की इन्वेस्टमेंट की वजह से कितने रुपए की इन्वेस्टमेंट बढ़ जाती है, इनकम बढ़ जाती है? 400 करोड़ की इनकम बढ़ जाती है. That's why we use the word why it is a process. ये एक प्रोसेस है जो कंटिन्यूअस चलता रहता है. मेरी इनकम इंक्रीज होगी, इन्वेस्टमेंट इंक्रीज करेंगे, इनकम बढ़ेगी. If I am investing the money, my income will increase. If my income increase, my consumption will also increase. It will bring change in delta C. अब delta C is increasing, again my income will increase. So this is the process which will keep on going. So this process is known as, my dear friend, investment multiplier. इसको हम क्या नाम देते हैं? इन्वेस्टमेंट मल्टीप्लायर का नाम देते हैं. Now last topic of this particular chapter, of this investment multiplier, I just told you K is equal to 1/1 minus MPC and K is equal to 1/MPS. How it is? We will do that. As we know, K is equal to delta Y upon delta I. ये फॉर्मूला हमने शुरू में भी बताया था. Now I am stepping ahead one more step. Delta Y upon delta I Y minus delta C. Delta I we can denote by Y minus C. अभी ये मेरे दिमाग में नहीं है ये डेल्टा वाई माइनस डेल्टा सी कैसे किया, बट आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू लेटर ऑन, डोंट वरी फॉर दैट. इट कैन बी रिटन डेल्टा आई कैन बी रिटन इन दिस वे आल्सो, डेल्टा वाई माइनस डेल्टा सी. नाउ व्हाट टू डू? लेट अस डिवाइड बाय डेल्टा वाई न्यूमरेटर एज वेल एज डिनोमिनेटर, दोनों को डिवाइड करते हैं. तो डेल्टा वाई अपॉन डेल्टा वाई माइनस डेल्टा सी अपॉन डेल्टा वाई. डेल्टा वाई stands for 1 divided by delta y 1. And you see my dear, you know my dear, delta C upon delta Y is equal to MPC. In this way we can calculate how K is equal to 1 upon 1 minus MPC, and you know very well 1 minus MPC is also stands for MPS. इसको हम क्या भी कहते हैं? MPS, because we know that MPC plus MPS is equal to 1. MPC plus MPS क्या होता है? 1. इस टॉपिक में मैं एक टॉपिक आपको बता नहीं पाया, अभी बाद में बताऊंगा कि why this delta Y minus delta C has come. तो with this it was last topic of this chapter, इन्वेस्टमेंट मल्टीप्लायर. ये चैप्टर पूरा हो गया है, केवल इसमें न्यूमेरिकल्स बचे हैं जिसको हम अगले वीडियो में करेंगे. थैंक यू वेरी मच.